Kgotsong, Sanbonani, Molweni, and hello.
My name is Sitabazo Khomari and I'm on my favorite road in the Mountain Kingdom.
Because some roads don't just take you somewhere, they remind you who you are. We didn't go looking for culture, we found it where it already lives. In kitchens, in markets, on open land.
Cheers! Beautiful.
Joy isn't extra, it's how we survive, connect, and remember. 6 episodes in, we've proved one thing. Lesotho doesn't need fixing, it needs framing. Every journey reaches a moment where you stop. Not because you're done, but because what comes next needs intention. For the rest of the season, we're opening the screen. Introducing Creator Takeovers. One creator, one pillar, one episode, fully theirs. This isn't the end, it's the road back home, opening forward. Pop-up Africa, a higher level of joy.